So, as always, just counting down to the market open, first rates in a bit. We'll look at the indices, the heat map, and then we'll sort of drill down to individual names in terms of what's up and what's down. What do we have? Sensex is up 0.17. The Nifty is up about a quarter. And there we go. So 25,900, just under 25,900. Remember, that's the first resistance as we've been putting out for the last couple of days. And we're there. Nifty Bank is starting flat, nothing at all. The small cap index after yesterday's almost 3% rally is up about 0.25%. And the mid-cap index will come up on your screen as well. We should put out the textile names straight up at the bottom of the screen and look at what is happening there. So let's have, there you go. Gokuldas is down about 3.5. So a little bit of profit booking. And Pearl Global and, Indocount and some of the others, etc., all should also start to come up. Axis, Eternal, Bharti, the heat map should come up on your screen and it should give you a sense of where we are starting before we go any further. And we will take it up from there. So ONGC, Axis, Tata Motors passenger vehicle on one end. The other side, you've got HCLTech, Wipro and Hindalco, which are coming through. Rima.
ONGC is the top gainer right now, 1% up. We've seen crude prices inch up to almost $69 per barrel. Cipla, there was an US FDA audit, but the stock is unruffled, got a gain of about 0.5% to begin trade with. Axis Bank, Yash was just telling us about the CLSA note that if Axis Bank buys Credit Axis Grameen, it's a win-win. Axis Bank is moving up. Titan reports numbers today expected to be a superb, sparkling quarter. Its peers like Kalyan, P&G Gadgil have reported very strong numbers. For Titan, we already know that the gold jewelry sales are going to be up 41% in Q3. So the street will await the margins on the jewelry business, but still expected to be very strong. The stock is pretty much at its all-time high levels. Eicher Motors is the other one. It's opened up in the green ahead of numbers. For Eicher Motors, the Royal Enfield volumes in Q3 have been strong at 21%, and that could help the company report good set of numbers. Other movers include in HDFC Life. Yesterday, the January insurance numbers was a tad bit soft, but the stock is in the green. Cipla, Sun Pharma, higher. Eternal seeing buying. Bharti Airtel in the green. Heavyweight buying visible in L&T and Reliance Industries. On the way down, IT once again on the back foot. Wipro, HCLTech, top two, Nifty losers, sliding nearly 1%. Metals are correcting, seeing profit booking. So Hindalco, JSW down more than about 0.5%. Interglobe Aviation, Asian Paints, sentiment negative because of the rise in crude prices. Not a big fall, but down about 0.25%. So that's the large cap action, but higher now for the third consecutive day now for our markets.
Well, that's right, Rima. Plenty of stocks actually are doing a thing of their own. JNK India, that stock is up close to around 11%. So big move out there. The street likes those numbers that they reported yesterday. So JNK India is up and about in trade. Seagull India, they won a large order. The street's appreciating that as well. That stock up and about in today's trading session. Good move is what we're seeing on JNK India as well as on Seagull India. You have Jai Bharat Maruti. Well, that's doing quite well. That stock is well rallying for the second straight day. So big move, I think, in a couple of trading sessions. That one's up close to around 25%. That's the kind of move that we are seeing. ITDC. Stock up close to around 5% as we speak. Big move on the upside. So plenty of stocks actually are doing very, very well. Add to the list a RailTel. That stock as well has gained more than 5% in trade today. BSC is an out-and-out winner from, the relatively larger mid-cap names. That one, in fact, is up close to around 5%. Everyone was worried when it fell from around 3,000 to around 2,000 rupees. It's done a very, very brisk recovery and currently sitting at around 3,150 rupees odd. Ola Electric, that's another stock that's moving up. Remember, it's seen a sharp correction from the top, but that one, in fact, has bounced back in trade. What's not doing so well? Ramco Cements down close to around 5%. The street clearly is a little bit concerned with regard to the volume growth. You have a larger, competitor now that's come in there because UltraTech has taken over India Cement. So that's definitely going to plague them in the time to come. Volume growth was quite meager and the EBITDA per ton contraction was larger. Newland Laboratories, that stock is down close to around 6% as we speak. So big downtick is what we're seeing out there. And let's pull up Gravita. That acquisition was strategically quite good. I think the stock had opened up in the green. Let's see what it's doing right now. Gravita, good acquisition, moving into copper recycling. Stock has seen a sharp correction from the top, up 3.5%. Street likes that.
Okay, we got a pretty good broader screen, right? And it's 2,000 stocks up and about 400 stocks which are lower at this point in time. 25,900. and it's about a 50-odd point pop coming through. What do we have? And, just the Nifty, the NSE 500, the broader market screen, right, apart from what Nigel and Reema have mentioned. BSE and Navin Fluorine are the top two volume-led gainers by far. Amber is there, Railtel is there. There is Sansera, which is up 6%. JK Tyre, which is up 4%. JK, of course, was in action yesterday as well. Linde, we've been highlighting. Data Patterns is up 4%. 3%. MTAR Tech is up 4%. Bata India, Bata is up 7%. I think we highlighted that. Root Mobile is coming up with about an 8.5% move. And, all these names, not with low volumes. Right off the bat, volumes are very healthy across all these names. PG Electroplast is up about 3%. We should put that up. PN Gadgil, I think we put out. So all this PN and Goldium and Sky Gold, they all did very well yesterday by close. And I think they all are following up with more gains this morning in terms of what's happening. What else? Ircon is up about 4.5%. Glaxo and Pfizer are up. Pfizer is up 8%. I'm not sure if there's results of something else here, but Pfizer results. Okay, I'm being told. Glaxo is up 4%. Birla Soft is up 4%. JM Financial is up 3.5%. So this is the broadening out, the mid and small cap action that we've been highlighting. And, things are coming back.